US stocks, as measured by the major US stock indices, have started to underperform global stocks for the first time since 2017. When looking at the ratio charts, we're on pace to close as a red year, meaning SPX underperformed this broad basket of global stocks. So where to invest in 2023? When you dig in, you can see Europe start to outperform US stocks first, and might be the best place to invest in 2023 for general equity investors. On the screen right now are quarterly ratio charts that look at SPX compared to ACWX and SXXP. You can see the ratio chart versus Europe peaked earlier in 2022, while the other ratio chart is peaking here in Q4 of 2022. These charts show we are now in a downtrend on the quarterly time frame, which is one of the highest time frames you can look at. This signals trouble ahead for US stocks relative to their global counterparts. Do you think we should keep investing in US stocks or start to branch out to other markets? Let us know.